are ready.
Look at some of this. Okay, so let's start here. Number 1. What is that?
That's the zygote.
Zygote, right? Because sperm meets egg makes zygote fertilization. What's happening in 2, 3, 4, and 5?
Cleavage.
Cleavage, because we're splitting. So let's see. So 2-cell, 4. Okay. What do we call raspberry?
Morilla.
Morilla. What do we call hollow tennis ball?
Something else.
Blastocyst or blastula and everything. Blastocyst, right? So we went through from zygote, we went through cleavage, morilla, blastula, blastocyst, all right? Now in our blastocyst, we have the stuff at the bottom.
This one you said is the yolk sac. No,
Nope, that's
the red one.
This is the inner cell mass, or also known as the ICM. That's the bottom of the blastula, all right? Then we have the big space, which is the blastocyst cavity, also known as blastocoelum. And then with the little feet, trophoblast. That's what's going to chew in the mom. Right? So now we're going to chew in the mom. So here we are. We're chewing in the mom. So we're using our trophoblast to grow down. The part that ends up at the bottom, where I'm growing in the mom, that's the decidua basalis. The part that's over the top of me is the decidua capsularis. So basalis capsularis, basalis capsularis, basalis capsularis, basalis capsularis. The little feet that I'm growing out, those are the chorionic villi, because they're part of the chorion, which is the outside membrane around me. The part I'm floating in would be the amnion. Here's the umbilical cord.
Is just the dark blue part?
The chorion is the outside. There's basically 2 membranes stuck together, chorion and then amnion.
Okay.
This little thing I have here would be my yolk sac that merges to become my umbilical cord, along with an allantois. The little line here where I'm going to develop, that's going to be where the gastrulation occurs. Okay, and so I'm going to make 3 tissues. What are the 3 gastrula tissues?
Ectoderm, mesoderm.
Very good, I like those words. So, this is all like week 1, week 2. Now, week 3 on, what am I?
Embryo.
I'm embryo. If I was at week 9 on, I'd be
Fetus.
Fetus. Very good. Let's do some placenta. Give me placenta. So the placenta, our baby's up here, mommy's down here, right? So what is this thing right here?
Umbilical cord.
It's umbilical cord. And then this would be the chorionic villi, the little fingers I'm growing into mom. This is the mom's uterus down here. So what placenta would be my part?
Embryonic.
Fetal. Right?
I'm sorry.
Okay. And then the groove I'm carving into mom would be the maternal placenta. So they're like this. Right? So what am I supposed to know in here? Okay. So we have our chorionic villi, and we have the space between the chorionic villi and mom. What do we call that space? Intervillous space, right? Between the finger space. So we have our maternal blood vessels here. We have our fetal blood vessels here, and these ones are the correct arrow but the wrong color. These are going from baby to placenta. So what are they?
Arteries.
They're arteries. Why are they arteries?
Because they're going
Away from the heart. And so what color should they have been?
blue.
Should have been blue, because you're going to go to mom to get air. Here's a big thing coming back, which it would be a what?
Vein.
A vein, and it should be what color?
Red.
It's red, just like a pulmonary system. It's going to get oxygen here and go back to mom. So we did that, we did that, we
What
did
a
that,
lame
we did
model.
that. For $400, you think, right? So what are we missing? Am I missing something? That's all.
So the decidua stuff?
Yeah, so the decidua basalis would be the part I'm gluing into mom. The capsularis would be way up the inner.
Sweet.
So on this picture here, they show up pretty well. So here's the decidua capsularis is over my back. Decidua basalis would be the part where I'm growing into mom, basically.
Oh.
And this one shows it.
Uh-oh.
Right. So here's my 2 umbilical arteries. Here's my 1 umbilical vein. Here's the intervillous spaces, the chorionic villi, and the decidua basalis.
Awesome.
You okay?
Yep. What's the space, the red space in between?
Intervillous.
Intervillous.
Between the finger space. So maternal placenta, fetal placenta, intervillous space. All right?
Sweet. Thank you.